What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, it looks as though it is having a very nice pump today along with basically the entire market. We've been seeing a little bit of a pickup off the bottom over the past 2 days, but obviously going into October, it seems as though Rocktober is in full effect, and we have actually, potentially broken out of this descending wedge that we've been looking at for a lot of cryptos. We've got a descending wedge for Polygon as well, which was looking something like this, you would say. And just like we did here, you can see quite clearly we had our big downtrend, lower lows and lower highs. We come all the way down, we get the bounce out of the descending wedge, we come up again, we're coming down, we're looking, throughout September being a very bearish month, all kinds of fun and nonsense in the market. But it looks as though today we are, we're seeing a really nice pickup for the entire market going into Rocktober, which is typically a very bullish month for financial markets and cryptocurrency included in that as well. And we can see here, Polygon looking though it's cleanly breaking out of this falling wedge as well. And looking like it's heading up towards this resistance here at around that 125 level. If we throw the Fibonacci retracement tool on here, you'll be able to see that we are heading up towards the target of the 050 at that 130 level, which was one of our targets in yesterday's video if we did see that big bounce, which we are starting to see now. Obviously, so many people bearish in the market saying that we're going to continue rolling over and it's the bear market, we're doing something like this. But in reality, we're actually doing something like this. And if this is the low here, we're obviously looking to put in that higher high so that we can see that macro trend reversal doing something like this for the remainder of the bull run. Basically, starting to pick up off the bottom of this higher low that we've seen here, because we've seen our higher high. And if this is the higher low truly, and we see another higher high, then obviously we're looking very good for continuation, looking for those price targets by the end of the bull run. So things looking really bullish for Polygon overall. You can see here we're trying to reclaim the 20 right now. We've got the 55 and the 050 as a target at around that 130 level, where you'd probably expect a bit of resistance, maybe come back down, retrace a little bit before getting back up towards these levels. But you can see quite clearly here that Polygon is breaking out to the upside, showing a lot of strength just like the wider market. Bitcoin currently bouncing up to around that 47-ish K area and dragging the market with it from what we can tell. The whole market looking really bullish and basically looking as though it's starting to pick up off the bottom after all this bearish nonsense that we've seen for the past month or so. There's been so much FUD and so much, random stuff happening in the market. But it looks like this A, B, C correction is over now. We've seen that W double bottom like this with the breakout. And now if we do back test a bit of support and start to move up, things are going to look really good for Polygon. So quite clear that we're breaking out of something here. And essentially things looking really, really good for continuation overall, we would say. So we'll do some short-term price predictions, then keep things short and sweet. If we do roll over from here, we'd obviously expect to come back down, retest the previous resistance as support, just like we did here for that continuation, like this. But considering how strong that we're pumping, we're probably more likely to come up towards this 130-ish area sooner rather than later at the 050. Before getting a rejection, maybe we'll come back down to this swing high here. And then we want to be targeting that 618 as well, back up into this range here, in between the 050 and the 0618 that we formed, coming up to about that 155 area as well. And as we always said, $5 to $10, we do think still very possible and on the cards for Polygon by the end of the bull run. That's only a 2 to 4x from the all-time high, and that's only like, what is that, a 4, 8, 9x from the current price. So that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.